excited. I'll make some nice sounds with the wrappings. Oh my goodness, there's loads of stuff. Oh my goodness. What's this? Oh. What is this? Oh my goodness. It's my bath bombs. Oh my goodness, it's my bath bombs. And I'm going to be going for a bath with these this afternoon. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, Ashley. I love them. Ashley actually has a wee shop, so I'll find the link and put it in the description box in case you just want to treat yourself to some of these awesome bath bombs. See, maybe I'm just ripping into them. Oh, look at that one. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. And I've got lots of these stickers. My goodness. Oh, one hell of a butler. Oh, they're named after. Oh, Jen likes this Visual Sounds one. Manga, is it manga it's called? I'm that old. One hell of a butler, look. That's what they are. I'll find the other ones and find the name of them because what's this one called? Art and Home is one of them. What did I do with? Oh, I've just threw things all over the place. But let's look at this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, these are wonderful. I might use this one today. Thank you so much, Ashley. And there's loads of stuff. There's more. Oh my goodness, she's gave me loads. This one's called the Oracle. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that one. Oh, that's my favourite. Look, it's got a little thing, a wee little ball. My goodness, Ashley, you shouldn't have. Oh, I can't wait to go for my bath. I cannot wait to go for my bath. A Midsummer Night's Dream. I'm getting all choked up. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. That is so precious. Can you see that little design? My goodness. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pushing up daisies. Pushing up these no phrase when someone dies, that's right. They'll be pushing up the daisies, yep. Made with daisies, purple rock salt and plastic skull top. Oh, this one sounds magical. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that one. Oh my, I can never use this one. I don't think I can use this one. It's got a face. Thank you so much. Oh my think she's gave me the whole collection. She's gave me the whole collection. Crystal bath bomb. Crystal bath bomb. See this one? Oh, the smell is amazing. Oh my goodness. And look, I've got a gemstone and some flowers. Poppy, don't. Poppy. 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 She's ready to kick off. Oh my goodness. This one is just another, it says crystal bath bomb. It's got gold. That will make the water all sparkly. Oh, that one is amazing. Oh, that one is amazing. You are the spirit guides. You are there, spirit guides. It's me. Oh, let's have a look. All these bath bombs have got special properties to help you with things. This one says finding a spirit guide can be mentally taxing. You have to trust your instincts. Channeling the power. It tells you all about it. It's got a wee leaflet. Oh wow! Let me smell this one. Oh wow! She's gave me the full set. Oh my god, that's me for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 weeks so far. 9 weeks with the bath bombs. What is this? Full Moon Circus. Elephants have been circus attractions for over 200 years. This one might have an elephant in it. It does have an elephant in it. I think it's got an elephant. Oh, it smells so good. And it's got little kind of multicoloured bath salts. Oh my god, I don't know if I can use the elephant either. It smells so good. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Actually, this is too much. Succulent Gardens, a cute green bath bomb topped with green rock salt and succulent soaps. Fun fact, the word succulent comes from the Latin word succus, which means juice or sap. Oh well. Let me smell. Oh, mine smells so good as well. Look, that's soap. I might use that today so I can wash myself. Oh, I don't know what one I'm going to use. Oh my goodness. Sleepy Hollow. Oh, that's a Johnny Depp film, isn't it? This mini bath bomb is based on one of my all-time favourite goth classics, Sleepy Hollow. Just perfect for Halloween. Let's see what this one's like. I'm actually spoiled today. Oh, that one smells like something out of Lush. Can't put my finger on it, but it smells like something from the Lush shop. Like it's got flowers and all that in it. I might do a separate ASMR video with all of these. I can do a shop role play with them. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a shop role play with them. And you can see them better because just now I'm just too excited. psychic vampire slayer. Psychic vampires are the worst. Oh my goodness. These people, spirits or forces can be all around you sucking away. Yeah, I suppose it is sucking away your energy and stuff like that. One way to get rid of a psychic vampire is to cleanse your body and mind. This is for me today. This is the one for, I've not even opened it yet, and this is the one. Let's do this one today. Right, we're doing this one today. Ooh. It's got sparkles and all that. This is the one I'm using today. Oh, it smells so good. So I'm using this one today, the vampire one. Right, I'm putting that over there. That's getting used today. Lilith is a cauldron bath potion that represents sexuality, confidence and willpower. Now I'm conflicted. It's a Saturday, maybe I should use it. I think I'll be using this one today because I think I need all of that right there. Made with rose poppy seed. The bath potion smells like black tea. Let's have a sniff. I might be using this one today actually because we need some of that sexuality stuff. Sexuality, confidence and willpower on a Saturday. Ooh. It's like a kind of black powder in there. Will we use this one today? Right, but I'll change my mind. The vampire one can be another day. I'm using this one today. And I've got one left. Hexed and Vexed. A bath potion to help you break any bad intentions placed upon you. I need all of these. Thank you so much, Ashley. I need all of these. All the help I can get, I need. Bathe and focus your mind on realising all energies that weigh you down. Meditate on feeling free of the weight and picture all ill will going down the drain after your bath. Get down the drain, ill will. Down the drain with you. Keep this potion bottle charm near you after your bath. You can wear it or leave it in your nightstand. Oh well, let's have a look at this. You can wear it. Oh my God, I've saved the best one to last. How funny is that? Look, it's a wee tiny potion bottle. Look, oh, I need to open that. I need to open that just now, in fact. Right, I need to open that one just now. And look at this, I've got wee duckies and all that. Right, this is a wee shop, right? That's a wee shop. I'm going to leave links anyway. And look, you've got a fancy wax thingy. I don't think did I open one of these before with a wax seal? I'm not sure. There it is. That's a wee thing. Oh my goodness. Look, there's a wee shop. Look, and there's a lovely wee, oh my goodness, a wee pendant there. Look at that. That is so cute, Ashley. Thank you so much. I feel like crying. And another wee bag with beautiful smells. And of course my duckies, they'll be in the bath today as well. And this, I've actually got one on my phone. Where is my phone? I don't know. I've got one on my phone. So this will be going on with it. It's got a different symbol. What are they again? They're like stones or something. See, I'm daft. They're like stones. They've got a wee symbol on them anyway. And a nice wee bag. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh my God, that was a fortune that she sent me that. That's absolutely amazing. Oh my God. Oh, that is so wonderful. Right, where's the one with there it is. I'm going to open this one because I want to wear that today. Maybe I shouldn't get it wet though. I don't know. Let me see it. I need to. My goodness. How adorable is that? You're the living daylights out, maybe barking there. How adorable is this? Right, I'm putting it on. I'm going to put it on. I've got actually a wee necklace on today that I can take. I've actually got this on today, so I can take, I've got a wee heart on it. I can take that off and I can put this wee bottle on. How absolutely cute is this going to be? I'll wear it and then once Ashley sees me wearing it, I'll take it off because I don't want it ruined. How absolutely adorable is that? Oh my goodness. How adorable is this? Turn these round. Oh my goodness. I feel special with it. Oh my God, Ashley, thank you so much for all beautiful, beautiful bath bombs. I am going to enjoy. Well, how do I get these back up again? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm going to enjoy my bath today. I'm going to use that one. What was this one for? Oh, that was for sexuality and stuff, wasn't it? I'm going to be using that one. That one's getting used today. And then probably the vampire one next. I don't know. But they are all amazing. Amazing, amazing. I mean, look at that one. So, again, in the description box, I'm going to leave a link to our wee shop. I wouldn't be saying our stuff's amazing if it wasn't amazing. It smells so good. And it just makes your skin nice and soft as well. And you feel special. I mean, come on. You feel special. Having a wee bath with all of this. And if you want to see it all bubbling up, you just need to see me on a Saturday in my bath. And you can see me using them. So thank you so much, Ashley. That is... I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Thank you very, very much. And thank you to all of you just for watching and liking and subscribing to my channel and everything like that. It means a lot to me. So I hope you like this wee video. I've loved it. So thank you, and I will see you again in my next. I've got another unboxing coming. I'll see you in my next unboxing, and I love you all.